Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Clockwork Crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday like clockwork. So I've had a busy weekend, 2 days of New York State concealed carry class, so that's why I'm filming on Sunday, kind of real close, but it is what it is. Happy Monday, y'all. If you guys want to hear about that, I could do a whole, we could talk about it and Get Ready With Me. It was absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing, still have to say. But yes, it is that time where we go through the, it's December. This is the November box, you know, which means I'm probably going to get the December, January. I actually got this in the mail the last day of November. No, I'm lying to you. I actually got it December 1st, which is crazy. So I don't know what's been going on over there. I don't know if that's just their influencer shipping that's been delayed, if it was just for me. I have no idea what's going on, but I got it. It feels a little heavy and I'm ready to get into it. So if you guys are ready to get into this November ARiiE influencer box, keep on watching. So we're not wasting any time because I'm really cutting it close. But I do want to say, I hope the lighting is a lot better. We've been going through some things, but I think I figured it out. Also, I don't have on my glasses or contacts. My glasses are right there. You guys know that they have a little glare. So when I'm reading up close like this, that's why. We have the unboxing mermaid knife, and we're gonna get up in there. Why? Because I can't open anything. Y'all know that. Don't mind my hair. It's okay. We ain't even gotta say it. Because I literally just got out the shower. I didn't even do my nighttime skincare routine. So if my face looks dry, that's why. Just don't talk about it. And I was hoping that there'd be some good. Oh my god, so much paper. There'd be some good stuff in here for me to try. So let's do it. Here we have the Hydrating Gentle Cleanser. This has hyaluronic acid, chamomile, vitamin E. I've had this before. I think I gave it away. I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure that I did get this. If not, but their cleansers are really good. I do like the consistency. It's a little thick. It gets the job done. If you have really, really dry skin, this is definitely what you're going to want to use. My skin is like combination oily, mostly oily right up in here, right here, this T-zone. That. So I don't really use too many hydrating products unless I'm going to bed. You still need to hydrate your skin. Please don't think that you don't have to. And usually in the wintertime, because your face, this weather will dry you out. It's getting cold. It's been cold, but today was pretty warm, and yesterday was, I don't know what's going on with the weather in New York, but it was just freezing the other day, and I can expect more coming. So just keep in mind and be mindful that as the weather changes, so should your skincare routine with certain products that you use, because a lot of environmental stress shows. Okay, so if you get really, really oily in the summertime, you're probably not going to be as oily in the winter. But if you are flaky and really, really dry all the way around, this is definitely something that's going to be really, really good for you. I will also recommend, and I'm not a professional, I'm not a dermatologist. I just try a lot of products. And ARiiE stuff is really, really good for sensitive skin. I promise you, I would never tell you use something on your face that has made me break out. Ever. Ever. So keep that in mind. But their products are really good for sensitive skin. They don't have a lot of fragrance, which is a big thing for a lot of people. It's a big thing for me too. If you have a headache condition like I do, a lot of scents could really trigger you into having a really, really bad headache. Or for me, not only would I have a headache, it would physically make me sick. And that's the worst. So their products are really good about the scent. It's usually extremely light if there's a scent at all. So keep that in mind. And you get a lot of product from them. This is what, $175. This goes in your check bag. Let's just say check bag, okay? moving on. Yeah, I'm telling you, if they don't send a whole line, like a complete set, ARiiE really has just been sending 3 products, so we're gonna go pretty quickly. Next product is the vitamin C concentrated serum. Now, I have, with hyaluronic acid and probiotics, now I have personally purchased this with my own money. I know that it's good. It's really, really good. It feels nice on your skin. Hyaluronic acid makes your skin feels real supple. It's hydrating. Whereas a lot of vitamin C products will dry you out. I've noticed. For me anyway, a lot of them have dried me out. They're supposed to brighten your skin. And I feel like sometimes some companies means that they have to dry you out and you flake until the dead skin is gone. But not necessarily how it can be done, you know? Just lightly, even light exfoliation to get the dead skin away is good 2 to 3 times a week. But I don't know, their serums are so good. Now, this is not to be confused because it's yellow with their anti-acne serum. That one's a little darker, probably a little darker orange. That serum is amazing. I ran out, but the serum is amazing. They also have an anti-acne cleanser that looks just like this. Again, it's just a darker orange. Also really good. I know that from my brother and his friends because I bought it for them and they just absolutely love it. I think, I'm going to be honest with you, right? Because I get sent these products, I can talk about them, I can use them, right? Share my experience. I'm going to say that with them coming late all the time, literally the next month, kind of sucks because everyone's already done their video or talked about the products. But as of late, they have not sent any new products, really. I'm noticing that I'm getting a lot of repeats. This entire box is a repeat, and I'm only saying that because here is the microdermabrasion scrub. So these products together work really well, I promise you. You use the cleanser, if you use a toner, tone, but after the cleanser, if you're not gonna tone and you wanna exfoliate, I definitely would use this one. I have this, I used it yesterday, okay, because it's a really good scrub. For this, because it is very, very fine, the exfoliants are small. It even says it on the directions to go in lightly if you have very sensitive skin. Just don't apply too much pressure. If you don't and your skin is flaking up because it's dry in the wintertime, you want to get that dead skin off, you can go in with a little bit more pressure. And when you're done with that, you can go in with the serum. But I don't even have to open this. I don't even have to look at it. I have this. It's in my bathroom right now. I literally used it yesterday. So I guarantee you that this is really good. If you remember when I did my skincare giveaway and I was doing my current nighttime routine, I did talk about my favorite Derma products at the time. This is one of them. So we don't have much to talk about there. And then we're pretty much done. These are really good products. Definitely needed this, 100%. And I really need this because I'm still working on my skin. I had a lot of dark marks. I don't know if you guys can see them. There's still little stuff there, some hyperpigmentation. It's not a lot, and it goes away. But just a little extra help with the vitamin C serum is great. But you guys know I love my LED mask. It's amazing. And it's really helped me with texture. I did ask you guys. Now, it does leave little bruises. They go away within a few hours. So I like to use it at night and then go to bed. By morning, they're gone. And I think it's just getting the blood circulation going in your skin to give you that new skin collagen without getting stem cells, you know? Whatever. Don't quote me. I'm tired. But yeah, so that's something that's really, really good. I did ask you guys if you guys want it. I want to do one Christmas giveaway. I don't know if I want to do a bunch of products or just one big product or one expensive big ticket item. I'm not sure. I asked you guys didn't really say anything. You guys are not engaging with me, but it's cool. I'm gonna figure something out because I really do enjoy giveaways. They help me on my channel, but I like to give gifts. That's my thing. That's my thing. But that is it, guys. These are the 3 products. You guys have already seen this early this year. You may not remember, but let's get it done now. You guys know how we do. You guys know how we do. All right, so let's do this. We're gonna do it like this. Whew. All right. So So yeah, these are the 3 products. Again, because I've gotten them earlier in the year, you guys probably don't remember. If you guys want a 2023 empties from me, I have so many things that I want to repurchase. And I'm not gonna lie, most of the skincare that I've tried, I haven't hated anything, so I can give you guys like an empties with my favorite products that I for sure would repurchase. If you guys want to see that, let me know in the comments down below. But that is it, y'all. If you like the video, make sure you go ahead and like the video. It helps me out so much. If you're not following me on Instagram, I think you want to do that, because I'm still dropping behind the scenes sneak peeks from my photo shoot. That was last Friday. But you guys will not see the outcome or the behind the scenes videos until my birthday, January 8th. You guys know I film a month in advance. So yeah, and I did give you guys some quick, little behind the scenes from like the day before, how I felt. Like, it was just not a good day. I've not been having a good year, and this month sucks. So check on your friends. Holidays are tough for a lot of people. Be kind. Don't just write them to talk about yourself, because people are doing that and I'm not responding. So don't be that guy. Don't be that guy. You should be the guy to hit that subscribe button. And once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew, so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday like clockwork. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time.